What's up, everybody? I'm down here in Independence, Missouri. Today we're going to walk you through a potential flip with Miranda Hamilton from New Western. Then we're going to walk with my contractor, Francisco, right here. And I want to walk you through, like, you know, I look at a lot of deals. I tend to self-source a lot of my deals, but we got this deal. It didn't look like a very good deal, but we worked a deal out. And so I think that if you're getting started investing in real estate and you want to get a deal and you're scared, like, I don't know how to find self-source deals, I happen to have bought a lot of deals from New Western in Houston, and I believe this will be the first one I've closed out with you guys. So congratulations. She hit me up. I had another rep. They never contacted me, never brought me any deals. She brought me a deal. Now we're doing a deal. So you want to walk us through the property, talk us about this one?
Follow me.
All right, so this is the garage. Miranda's a little shy on words. I'll walk you through it.
Okay.
So the reason I like this property is, first of all, the roof is in perfectly good shape. The siding's in perfectly good shape. So when Francisco's checking this out, we don't gotta spend any money on the outside. Like, we just clean this thing up, clean the yard up. It's on a corner lot, good house. It's just a cosmetic fixer-upper. It's got a slim margin. ARV was 230. I said, no way, it's not worth 230. It's probably worth about, we counted between 170 to 200, somewhere in there. So I fired her an offer for what?
105. This guy.
Low ball, okay? What did we end up going into contract for?
107,500.
107,500. I think did I come at 105? I came that high at 105? Oh, I should have been at like 95.
Oh my God.
Maybe, you know, 6 months ago, 10 months ago, we would have done a deal at a higher price, but she already knows. Not a lot of people are buying right now because they're scared, but we're still buying. We'd come in through here, Francisco. We'd paint up everything. You know, one of the things I like to do on these types of things is put like an epoxy floor in here, paint this thing up here. You haven't done a flip with me, so I'm gonna break everything down. New door here. What do you suggest we do in the kitchen? There you go, big dog.
Rip everything out and...
Whoa.
Easy, Miranda.
Easy.
I mean, you could...
How many houses have you flipped, Miranda?
you could salvage the cabinets, I guess.
Oh, now you're talking my language.
There you go.
Just put the bare minimum on there and...
We like bare minimum. Now, this is an area to Independence. Is this like a first-time home buyer type of area?
I think this is where there's a lot of families that buy and stay for a long time.
Right, so here's what we got. We've got a kitchen with, these are really hard cabinets to what can you do here, Francisco?
Well, we can try to get them painted.
Can we paint these? Because you gotta take this crap off, don't you?
Yeah, we can use that liquid sander.
Okay, liquid.
You put that on there and it gets rid of the whole varnish and paint, and then it leaves you with a bare surface.
So my question would be, we're talking about 12 to 1,800 bucks for cabinets, right? If we were to buy new ones.
Probably a little bit more.
Probably.
Expensive.
Home Depot?
Like 15.
1,500. How much would it cost to just use their liquid nail and get the stuff off and repaint them?
Like 100 bucks.
That's which way we're going. All right, so we'll look in here. So we've got the bathroom in here. Ross, what do you think we do in here?
We'll just do some flooring and some tile work and paint that cabinet.
No, you're good.
And new toilet seat.
Well, here's a question for you. This is a little hack. We're gonna go really super cheap on this one. Can we paint this tile, Francisco?
I assume there's some kind of tile paint we can use.
There is tile paint. So could we make this look brand new and cool? Is this good? Is this tile in good condition?
Yeah.
It looks pretty good. You can probably paint it white.
So if we were to paint this, change this out, new toilet seat.
I said that, no?
Armando Montilago, right? That's okay, right?
Well, if you ask Miranda, she wants to rip it all out.
Rip the whole thing over and start.
New everything, except the next bathroom, everything should stay.
Oh yeah, that's the pretty and pink one.
The next bathroom stays.
Well, at least it matches the shutters on the house across the street.
What do we have underneath here?
I believe it's hardwood floors underneath.
So we're gonna refinish these.
Here, cut it and find out.
Let's find out,
Yeah.
man.
Oh, look,
Oh, look at that.
Who would do that?
So we're gonna go with a walnut stain on there, like we talked about. So in here, we would want to put just 1, 2.
Because this is your dining room.
Is this my dining room?
Yeah.
Bedroom? How many Okay, wait, hold on. Let me walk it again real quick. This is the bathroom. This is your TikTok right here. This is
the best bathroom.
This is what Ross had when he was growing up in high school.
Whoa.
Isn't it perfect?
Literally, they took this cabinet paint and neighbors were like, we love it so much, and they put it on their shutters over there, right? You see that?
I think they were like Barbie twins.
So this one actually has to come all the way out. There's no saving this. There's no doing anything. We got to put a a double vanity in here. We're gonna retile this. I mean, if you can make the tub look good, I mean, it's $300 for a tub, right? Yeah, so new tub, new tile. This thing can stay. Just tighten up these hinges and stuff like that. Get rid of that thing. Double vanity, nice vanity lights up here. Couple can lights in here, okay? Another room here. Okay, one thing to tell you on these doors, we're gonna wanna do 2 square panel doors. We're gonna wanna use Negro, okay? Can light in here, ceiling fan in here. We don't wanna change, we'll change out that ceiling fan. Hardwood floors. We're gonna hit on all of our major things. This is like true cosmetic fixture upper. Change out these with some nice.
You want the square one?
This nice square ones, all white. We're gonna use repose gray or like agreeable gray, white ceilings, another door. We're gonna change this out. If we really wanted to go cheap, we could just frame it. Another 2-panel door here, 2-panel door, paint everything, same thing, same setup in here. So what I would do is do some really nice, cheap LED lights that look really good. Put a nice banging fan in here. This closet door is fine. We'll paint this. Maybe put some new shiny hardware on here. No, that is the 3rd bedroom. You guys are calling that a dining room. That's the 3rd bedroom.
So I think they must have made it a dining room.
Francisco, this needs to be cerrado, okay? And then we'll be good. Okay, so this is closed off. Now in here, we're gonna wanna open this up. So we're gonna wanna go all the way to here, and then we'll put an island coming this way. You thinking if you could repurpose it?
No, I'm just thinking how much room we got to go further this way.
Right, because
we can go maybe 3 feet that way and it'll give you enough room.
This kitchen layout kind of sucks though, man. I'm almost thinking about ripping out the cabinets, which is like, I mean, it's almost like sacrilegious, but sometimes when you got a bad layout, you got a bad layout, right?
You got 2 windows there for no reason.
The living room is huge also.
Right.
So you could push that wall maybe?
Well, this wall's going away. We're getting rid of this, closing that out. I think what we do here, if you're taking that all the way out, build this into a pantry right here. You like that? Ross,
I was about to say it.
same thing here, just can lights. This can go away.
Yeah.
Completely. We don't need
4 or 6.
I would just say,
if we're moving it over, you
yeah,
need,
6 then.
you need 2 where your island's gonna be.
Right. So let's talk layout real quick. So I think the fridge should go here if we're gonna be moving everything. Oh, you know what we could do? We could put our dishwasher in our island, correct? So let's do that. Let's put our fridge over here.
You have your
Well, no, because you're gonna block the window. Can we leave it over there? What do you think, Ross? Is anybody gonna care in this area?
I don't like that just because when you're opening the door, you're banging into the refrigerator.
That's
Or you
true.
can move it over here and build the pantry right there
Yeah.
by the sink.
So fridge is over here. That's a good look for it, right?
Because we got more than
All right,
enough
so
room.
fridge goes over here. I like this.
Yeah.
Pantry now goes over here. Stove can now stay over there. And dishwasher can stay over there.
Yeah.
We could probably use this same stuff right here, right? Frigidaire, that looks brand new. That's brand new. We can reuse all this, brand new. We can reuse all that. We might be able to keep these cabinets now. Now we're back. Now this needs to go, right? That dates the house a little bit. Gingerbread's not in style, is it?
No.
It's almost Christmas.
Yeah. We could put some nice hinges on this, make them soft close so that they feel new. I mean, these are all in good shape. Yeah, I think we keep, now we solved everything just by moving that fridge over there. So I would say like a oversized island that kind of opens out into here.
How far out you want it to come out this way?
I would say not further than,
like a couple feet, or
I mean, this is gonna be your TV wall, so you don't wanna come out too far. Probably,
about a foot. It's,
yeah, probably right about here.
Okay, so it'll be like 5 feet.
Okay,
That's a pretty good size.
yeah, so tile in here. We'll paint this.
Black or
No. White,
I see them go by.
like gray and white or something like that. I'll have Celeste design that for us. Our mirrors in? No, this one's kind of,
No, it's just kind
Maybe
of.
put some like trim around.
yeah, I was gonna say, if we frame it out, our mirrors in, would you like this? Okay,
I love that.
okay.
Mirrors are always in.
Mirrors are always in, all right.
You
So,
like to look at yourself.
Good company woman right here. Let's just get down on camera. Look at that. Man, she's got new Western tights. Troy, are we gonna get some millionaire membership tights?
just for you, buddy. Yeah, I mean, if we can reuse this, honestly, take it down or get rid of it. If it costs too much time to try to fix it, get rid of it. I don't want these things on it, and I don't know if it's got holes in it after that.
Yeah, it's got holes.
Yeah, so
That's
just
what's holding it.
give it to Miranda.
Alright, sweet.
It'll be a closing gift. We're good here. New doors. This is a pretty basic one. Besides blowing that thing open, this is like what I consider you have 2-week jobs, 3-week jobs, 6-week jobs, 2 months jobs, and 3-month jobs and then like 6-month jobs. What do you think this was?
About a month and a half, if that.
You think that long?
It depends how tight you got on other jobs.
Yeah, well, on something like this, we'd want to, like, wherever else you're at, we'd move right into here because I'm paying hard money costs and jump right into here because the other stuff can wait. If we're paying hard money, we want to flip it and move on. So if you're just focused on this, how long do you think it's going to take you to turn it around?
Like 3 weeks.
That's what I was thinking. I was thinking this is a 3-week job. Okay, cool. We're on the same page. All right, so I think that's it, man.
Pretty good.
Oh, we got to go down in the basement real quick.
Yeah.
This stuff, speckle paint in here, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Blast this whole thing. I mean, this is actually fine. You don't even need to touch this.
Gray? We gonna keep it gray or want to make it white so it's a little bright?
I know, I would just...
They usually go white and then
I would go white in here and...
everything.
But I don't know if you need to, man. It's
If you want.
It's so... Well, depends on how the rest of the house looks. I guess...
You want a new garage door?
Oh, wait, that one's a little bit kicked in, huh?
Looks a little...
Just get a quote on, see if we can fix a couple of those panels, and then we'll go from here. This has got to be done the right way. I think we do absolutely nothing down here.
Just clean it.
Other than clean it out.
Get rid of that.
Get rid of that, cap it. Paint these things black up top here.
You're gonna rent this?
No.
Sell it?
Well, I mean, it might turn into a rental if we don't sell it. But I mean, the idea is to flip it and be done with it and move. I mean, obviously if the profit margin's not enough, then we'll just rent it. But I think we should be able to do fine in here.
Walls white. Looks like they did some foundation work already.
Yep, paint them white.
Your AC unit over here. Kind of new.
Yeah, no,
Water heater.
It's in good shape.
Yeah, it's brand new. We'll just add the expansion tank on there.
Right, per code.
Yeah, so we don't have any issues.
Good job. All right, let's watch the exterior. So the big question is why don't I finish this out, right?
If you don't have an egress, they don't count it.
That's one point, but we could put an egress in, right? Because the comps don't support it. If I go and finish this out, it costs me, what's it gonna cost me to finish this out? A lot more than anything else in the house.
Yeah, it'll be more than the
Yeah, so I'll sink a bunch of money in this thing, I won't get it out, and I'll have the nicest house on the block. I would say we do a different door right here.
Yeah, we gotta do a
Fire-rated door.
fire-rated door, yeah.
What do you use for your husband?
My mom, no, I'm just kidding. I use Old Dominion. Shout out to Wade Susini from Old Dominion. I used to use Lending Home, who was then renamed as Kiavi. They kind of started treating me bad, and Wade treats me real good. And so they fun. Shout out to him. Yeah, we probably do need to fix this garage door. I think on the exterior, just like clean it up, pressure wash it, make this thing look good. Clean, and there's nothing to do on this whole entire house. This is why I'm interested, because I think we can get in and out of there for cheap. So pressure wash.
Careful.
You might have to paint. Well, that window sill.
Yeah, the window. Siding should be okay.
It's a good sized yard. New door, roof's in good shape, gutters need to be cleaned up, HVAC system's still there. This is true cosmetic fixer-upper. So what I'm telling everybody, all my students, and if you're interested in getting coached, we'll put a link down in our thing, but I tell everybody, if you're flipping in this market, you better be dealing with cosmetic fixers only, because if the market goes down and all of a sudden you're looking at spending 6 months into a deal and the market goes up, they jack up interest rates to 12%. We've never seen interest rates like this since I've been in the business. And just to take you back, when I was at Red Robin as a busboy at 16, I worked for a guy named Thad who had me cold call his list, and he was a mortgage broker. And at that point in time, interest rates were at 7 1/4. And then I sold radio advertising years later and they were at 6. And then when I sold 3,000 houses from 2009 to 2012, they fluctuated between 4.5% to 6%. And they've been that way until COVID, where they plummeted down to 2 1/4. And now all of a sudden they went from 4 to 8% over freaking night. What's gonna happen next? We're repeating the savings and loan crisis. They could potentially go up to 24%. You know what I mean? If that happens, this turns into a rental. We've done the numbers both ways, it worked. And so why did we buy this house? I look at a lot of deals. She probably sends me, I don't know how many deals you send me, but I look at them real quick and I'm like, yes, no. And this one I was like, corner lot, good neighborhood, cosmetic fixer. Don't need to spend a lot of money. He can turn it quick. I could be in and out of this deal in 30 days. If I could be in and out of this deal in 30 days, my hard money cost is low. I can be a low barrier to enter. This is an affordable house. We'll be one of the better houses in the neighborhood at a decent price point. We'll be on a corner lot in a decent neighborhood. So it's got a lot going for us. We do have one more thing we got to put in here, unless grandma wants to break her ankle walking out her master bedroom, because we got to put a little step down here. That's probably the only thing we got to do on the exterior, right? What's this thing? Just get rid of it.
It used to be like a handrail.
Yeah, just get rid of that. They had something built up. Here's what he's saying.
No, this is probably like for plants or something.
No, they did probably have something at some point in time.
Like a deck or something.
A deck over this, because it wouldn't be that high.
The door doesn't look that old.
This guy's a smart cookie. I was impressed yesterday. I'll give him a couple pieces of credit here. Number one, he relentlessly pursued me, which I like when people pursue me, because I'm a sales guy. You pursue people who want the business, right? Number two, first job didn't go right and he made it right. He's now digging himself out of I yelled at him a little bit. I was like, hey dude.
No.
Number three, he's got his own equipment. There's no like, hey, I don't have the freaking power on. I don't have the utilities on. I got my generator, I'm ready to go. He's showing knowledge, lines on the deck straight, everything's, you could tell that he's paying attention. He's not just a hack, this is his profession. He's trying to do the right job. So Francisco, with that said, I did bring you a gift. Here you go, brother, man.
Oh, appreciate it, man.
There you go, I know you like hats.
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet, man. Appreciate it, Miranda.
Yeah,
thanks so much.
Absolutely.
She's trying to hit me up for 26 houses.
We have a pack of 23 houses.
23 houses, a nice area.
They're spread out, so you just have to look at the map. They're kind of all over the place.
We'll look at it. So this thing closes the 15th. So just plan on getting us a number. We're probably gonna run another guy through here too, just to make sure we're getting the best price. This is one I'm very concerned about price on, to make sure we hit it right. And then we'll check you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow. Peace.